Solids like chocolate, wax, and asphalt need to be melted prior to being pumped. Jacketing is a common way of heating the pump to successfully transfer these room temperature solids. Pump jacketing consists of chambers that surround the pumping cavity. Heating mediums such as hot oil, water, or steam are pumped into these chambers, which then heat the pumping cavity as well as the liquid inside. Once the liquid is melted, the pump can be started. Common pump components that can be jacketed include brackets, heads, rotor bearing sleeves, casings, and relief valves. Jacketing is not only used for room temperature solids, it can also be used for thick viscous liquids like molasses and heavy fuel oil. Adding heat decreases a liquid's viscosity, which in turn reduces the power required to pump these viscous liquids. While not every application requires heating, room temperature solids and highly viscous liquids benefit from adequate pump jacketing.